how to change the MAC address of your network adapter. We can change the network address by using a three-way. First by using a device manager, then by using a third-party tool, and by using a registry editor. तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे हम डिवाइस मैनेजर के थ्रू हम कैसे मैक एड्रेस को चेंज कर सकते हैं. तो उसके लिए सबसे पहले हमें लोकेट करना होगा अपना नेटवर्क अडेप्टर कि किसका आपको मैक एड्रेस चेंज करना है. इफ़ यू हैव ए मल्टीपल ऑफ अडेप्टर, ओके. तो सबसे पहले हमें चेक करना है अपना नेटवर्क अडेप्टर जो हमें चेंज करना है. फॉर दैट ओपन CMD एंड जस्ट पुट द कमांड get mac -v space FO and list. So here you will get the list of adapter. So I want to change my Ethernet Realtek PCI adapter family controller. So I have a multiple adapters like Wi-Fi. So which one you want to change, just locate that one. Okay, change, just go to control panel, sorry, to device manager. Okay, so go to the network adapter and find the network adapter that you want to change now. Just right click over there and go to properties. In the properties, go to advanced option, and here there are in the property section you will get the options like a flow control, interrupt moderations. So go to the network address. So here you will get the two options like values are not present. So we have to go to the values. So give any 45E6 to give an exam. Okay, just enter. Now go to CMD. Just check again. Our MAC address is going to change. So here we spoof the MAC address. Here exactly we are not changing the MAC address. So our MAC address, हम जो भी हमारा MAC address है वो हम spoof करते हैं. So in this way we can change our MAC address by using a device manager. It's very simple. So I hope you got clear how to change the MAC address by using device manager. So and click save. So in this way you can change your MAC address. So I hope you guys will clear how to change the MAC address. So if you guys have any queries, just put into the comment sections.